Hi guys, today we have with us Pooja ma'am. So Pooja ma'am is a placement coordinator, placement head at Eiffel College. And this I think might be the first time that we are able to catch hold of a placement committee person. So ma'am, we have a lot of questions because the moment a person think of MBA, the first and the most important thing is job. मुझे जॉब लगेगा कि नहीं लगेगा, that's the main thing in everybody's mind. So we want to break a few myths as we go along. Okay, what is the importance of academic record, this and that. So all these things I want you to help us answer. The first question which I have is how the placement scenario have evolved because of the COVID times.
So, hi, sir. It is, of course, a pleasure to meet you today. So, if I talk about COVID times and placements, initially, if I talk about it was terrible, is because we were never prepared for such a situation wherein colleges would be shut. How about companies? So there are many parameters you talk about right away from. If you talk about student perspective, they think मुझे job मिलेगा क्या? Then if you talk about a placement coordinator, how to now retain companies who are already coming every year. At the same time, if you talk about from the company's perspective, they had freeze at that time. And then you talk about and then if there were openings, they were very much limited in number. So it was very uncertain at that time. How can we together come together and make this happen? For sure, it was a challenge at that time, but now it is a part of a placement process for sure. Students have been really learned well how to imbibe the online technology, how to virtually give interviews, how to be well prepared in a virtual factor. Also talking about companies' perspective, the skill sets required for a student, if you talk about, has been changed completely. So before, if they talk about students with knowledge, now they look out for students who are extra smart plus knowledge for sure. So many things have been for sure changed. But then, of course, I would not give a statement that COVID has stopped opportunities. Opportunities are limited, but it is never so I can say the world can never stop, right? So at the same time, careers can never stop and opportunities will never stop.
Exactly, they evolve. They don't stop, they evolve. We have to evolve as per that. Absolutely. So I also say, see, make on a काफी lot of students come and say me now MBA is, there's no value of MBA because everything is online, this and that. So then I have only one reply. Today everything is online. Even your parents, everybody's parents are also working from home. So everything is online today. So you can't just blame MBA for that. Engineering, everything is happening online today. So it's a phase.
Absolutely. And post-graduation has a weightage, and that's how people come and look out for further studies, right?
Exactly. Superb. So next question which I have is, what is the role of a placement committee? Because if you look at from a student's point of view, it's a job, job placement company, that you have to give me a job, like finger on the table. You have to give me a job. So what is the basically a role of a placement committee, and what kind of a challenges you have faced as a committee members or as a committee head?
Okay, so talking about placement committee, if I talk about, see, I cannot expect my kids in a placement committee to come together and place all the students in the batch, right? They're still learners, they're still learning for sure. But then there are huge number of benefits you can expect from a placement committee team. So for an example, if you talk about a student who's already a member in the team of a placement committee, for sure, he has a lot of exposure to the corporate world. Correct. So if I talk about, sir, if you can just give me 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay, so students, I would like to tell you, try your best to be a part of the placement committee. I'll tell you why. You get a lot of exposure in the corporate world, not just learning, but at the same time, you get a lot of ethical knowledge. How do you interact with corporate people? How also you get a benefit of getting a good impression in front of the corporate personality who's coming forward. So that is number one benefit if I talk about as a committee thing. I think majority of your contribution can be helped in internships. Internship is something wherein companies also invite students as a learning factor. Come to us and learn. Stipend does not matter much, but at the same time, what are you learning in the internship is very important. So there you get an exposure of getting in touch with these heads of various corporates, getting in touch of the HR teams of the companies, and that's how you start doing networking. So committee, so if I talk about as a placement committee, for sure networking is the best benefit you would ever get, and you get to keep this relationship forever. So maybe in future also, if you are much more experienced as a fresher, if he is not having sort of vacancy or as an opportunity for you, at least in future after 5 to 10 years, you can get and approach them. Maintain a good relationship for sure.
Right, exactly. So coming to my next point is, what are the student need to learn before they come to MBA college? Anything you feel that yes, these are the few things that if student काश ये बच्चा पहले से सीख के आता तो हमें इतना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना होता.
सर ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं अगर मैं प्लेसमेंट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बोलूं तो, बट I keep telling this to my students all the time. What from day one, because what happens is once you are enrolled for PGDM or MBA, the first thought is चलो अभी MBA and PGDM start कर लिया हमने, तो that's how we get placements also. मतलब हमारा job पक्का है. Of course job का platter आपके सामने completely है, opportunity आप सबके सामने है, but then getting the best premium quality of the group depends on you. So for that, you have to be very extraordinary as a student. I keep telling this to my students from day one is, you are not just the only MBA student or PGDM student who is competing with the 40 to 100 students in the college. There are lakhs and crores of students at the same time in this whole country looking out for the same opportunity. So for that reason, your resume cannot be a very ordinary resume talking about you've done PGDM or postgraduate or MBA from an institute. You have to be something who is an extraordinary you are a advanced candidate for sure. Or else you will have to land up with something which is very much ordinary in the market and demanding in the market. If you want something which is really great, you have to be a great candidate itself. So I keep telling them on this. So talking about students who are coming to college, I mean, before MBA, what are they supposed to do? Yes. Learning happens in every stage. I would not tell कि तुम एकदम ready-made piece बन के आओ and then we make you place in the company. No. We don't expect that. At least a very normal, sensible communication sense रहे बच्चों में. That is very important. Knowledge तो हम of course college में देते ही हैं, MBA में होता ही है, PGDM में होता ही है. So that's not a factor. Just that a very good communication, the way you speak to people, the way you behave with people is very important, I think, before they enter to a college. Sir, I would like to extend your question talking about before college में आने से पहले बच्चा क्या करता है. I would also say कि during this postgraduate time, they should not only finish the syllabus given by the college authorities, but at the same time do some more advanced certifications. Make sure that your resume has good quality add-on certifications. I would not tell you कि आप जाके कुछ paid courses karo for sure, lekin there are many free courses, online courses available. So this now this internet world is very huge. It's unlimited. You go and keep learning. Your resume should be filled with great knowledgeable things for sure. And that's how you get a chance to gateway into the corporate world.
Exactly. The same thing. You just collect the certificate, learning certificate, extracurricular certificate. We are able to use it on the resume or not, वो बात की बात है, वो बाद में देखा जाएगा. If it's not that important, we might not use it. Because I've seen people, when you will be surprised to know there are students who show blood donation as one of their achievements. ठीक है, blood donation, गणपति के पंडाल में आके डांस किया था. So these are kind of answers which I have been given by the students. So of course that's a big no.
No, of course not. Of course not. So that's what I'm telling you. You have to be advanced as a student, not as just a candidate for sure. Not an individual. Right. So आप जिस job के लिए बैठ रहे हो, उस job में आपके पास PGDM या MBA के अलावा और भी क्या है? That's important.
Right. Exactly. Superb. All right. So, can you just give us a few things which are the most important things for the top job? Like you said, extraordinary student. To become extraordinary. This was a question posted by somebody, Saurav Jadhav. What do you mean by the advanced student or extraordinary student? How skill set? So, one you said is certification, all they can do. One, I want to add the com skills, which I personally feel one of the
Absolutely.
biggest
That's
things.
what I told you. Communication skill has to be the very important point once you enter into a college, MBA college. And
MBA
that's
college.
why the MBA and PGDM term comes to you.
Right, right. And it doesn't mean by the looks यार. A lot of people have said कि मैं दिखता अच्छा नहीं हूँ या मेरी height कम है, ये कम है, वो कम है. भाई वो सब छोड़ दो. Your personality is more and beyond how you look in the mirror.
In fact, I'll tell you, sir, ये मेरा experience है. This year there were almost all the interviews were virtually. I've seen companies with highest package, sometimes network bandwidth नहीं रहता तो they tell कि video बंद करके बात कर लो, we only want to know about your knowledge. So of course, beautification is nothing to do with your job. Please.
True, true, exactly. Exactly. Superb. So next question, which is on my list, is this thing. What are the challenges faced? Okay, now there are some students who are extraordinarily good. They improve their com skills, this and that. For the weak student, suppose I am quite weak. So what colleges are doing? Do placement committee organize like resume making workshops and all these kind of events are happening?
Yes, sir. So what happens is, I'll give you an example of what our college do. Of course, we have third-party vendors, or we have corporate people coming out to us, training the kids monthly, weekly, quarterly, etc. Then apart from that, we also have these faculties who are full-time faculties. So I'm just giving an example of our college, which is mostly practiced by most of the colleges. They have mentors, personal mentors, if you talk about. So something like full-time faculties, every faculty has been given 5 to 6 students group, and they have to groom the student right away from day 1 to second year last day till the student is placed. So that is something absolutely great, I would tell. You have a personal mentor who is all the time around you, correct, trying to groom you out. And then again, if you talk about other things, like we have these, so something like GCL projects, live projects from the corporates, ये सारी चीजें बच्चे को groom करते हैं. And that's how ये 2 साल के journey में एक normal communicative student, placeable student बनता है.
Right. Next question, a very good question. Is social work important? Do students need to have some kind of a social experience and this thing?
So social experience is of course needed. In fact, I would tell you, it is not just practiced in a B school, a management school. In fact, if you see corporates, good MNC corporates also have a CSR activity ka group, correct? Which is very much needed. Why am I telling you this is, isse aapki team building bhi important, very much better hoti hai, and that is very much needed in today's corporate world, and that's how they judge you. But I would not tell you कि आप अपना career का या आपके time का 70-80% CSR में डाल दो, social work में डाल दो, and you do not have to work on something else. So it is important. 10 to 20% of your time or whatsoever free time you have, you should of course look out for social things.
Superb, superb, superb. All right, so now we are getting a lot of questions coming up from the students as well. So can we, during the MBA, do you get time to do all these kind of certifications during MBA? Along with that MBA, do we get time for all these things, all these activities?
I would give one answer statement in this. If you wish to do, time अपने आप मिल जाता है. But it's just that you are wanting or willing to do. Rather than counting the clock, it's better you make, आपको जैसे चाय पीने को टाइम रहता है, आपको I'm so sorry to use, but खाना खाने को टाइम होता है, तो at the same time you get time for yourself also, to groom yourself a bit more. So I would not say कि time constraints होते हैं, और MBA all the time आपको पकड़ के नहीं रखते कि नहीं तुम और